I'm a hustler, baby. Hustler. I just want you to know. Let you know. It ain't where I've been. But where I'm about to go. Top of the world now. I just wanna love you. But be who I am. Know you love me.
Welcome back to my channel, guys, and today I'll be doing a review on DsoarHair. Now the hair I'm using today is a 20-inch closure, 22 and 224s, and this is in their Peruvian wave, and it's so pretty, guys. I can't wait till you see it. However, I did like their packaging. Inside the box they gave me a beauty blender, some ink lashes. You also get like a little paper, you know, how to like take care of the hair and stuff like that, which is very important information, so be sure to read that. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you the closure, and when I say this hair is extremely soft, guys, it is extremely, like, it's extremely soft. Like, I love the way it felt. It's easy to run your fingers through, no tangling, no shedding. And I didn't get to say this, but their closure was pre-plucked if you didn't pay attention, so I loved that. The lace was very easy to bleach. The knots turned very quickly. And as usual, I went ahead and took those bundles and that closure and went ahead and made me a wig on a spandex dome cap. And I am going to just go ahead and place that wig right on my head. But first I'm going to take my Ruby Kisses foundation and apply my foundation color in the inside of that lace. So pretty much this is how the wig looks in its natural state. It's not wet or anything like that yet. And I just love how transparent this lace is. Like, when I really just put that closure to my skin, it is already blended so well. And especially when I cut off the extra lace, like, without it even being tacked down. And this is a glueless video, so yeah, I'm gonna use the Got To Be gel and spray to, you know, get it laid down or whatever. But I just love how, like, the lace really does disappear. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take some clips and like clip back the front of the closure, and then you guys will see that in the middle of this video I decided that I wanted to go off camera and do like the little patches in the front. So I am going to come back on with the two patches of red in the front, in that area right there that I'm clipping back. So before I do that, I am going to go ahead and, like I said, clip the hair back off the closure. And look how natural that looks already, guys. That looks extremely natural without even being cut. And I'm going to go ahead and just take my scissors and I'm going to cut that lace off before I do those patches. So here I am showing you how transparent it is. And I'm going to go ahead and clip away that lace. Usually I always start from the middle and then work my way from left to right. So it's just, you know, going to be the same thing that I usually do. And then I'm going to go ahead, like I said, and go off camera and do my little patches. And then I'll be back to show you guys more. Okay, so now I am back and I have my little red patches, and I did bleach this. It came out to like a 30, so I did purchase some crimson red DsoarHair dye, and I used that DsoarHair dye to get the red in the front. Now the hair is wet right now, but I'm just gonna go ahead and repart my hair because obviously, you know, it got messed up. And I'm going to comb out the hair just a little bit before I actually take it down. And I'm not going to wear this hair wet. I know usually with curly hair we always go for the wet look, but I decided that I'm going to actually blow dry this hair so that it can be dry. And I'm going to show you guys how I added more curls to give it more of a popping look versus just the regular pattern. But however, yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and detangle that. And then once I do that, I will show you how I tack this thing down. Now what I'm going to be using is the Got2b, like I mentioned before. This is pretty much the go-to for any glueless install. You can use the gel, the spray, you can use mousse, or you can combine 2 of them, 3 of them, like whichever works best for you, and depending on how long you want it, you know, to last. So I'm going to go ahead and I apply my gel and I put the freeze spray on top, and I'm just going to hold my closure on both sides and begin to blow dry that closure down so that it's nice and molded down without any lifting. So now that that closure is down, I'm just going to go ahead and take my blow dryer and blow dry that hair as much as possible. I don't need it to be completely dry, but I need the top to be dry, and you guys will see later on why I dried the top. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead in the next clip as well and just show you me drying this hair. And what I love about this hair the most is that even after bleaching, that the curl, like the hair still has its curly pattern. Like sometimes when you get curly hair and you bleach it and do the whole process, like it loses its curl completely, or like you just really have to do a lot of steps to get the curl back. But I am going to actually curl this hair just a little bit using my bedhead waver. But right now what I'm doing is going ahead and taking my concealer color, and I actually place that in the middle of my part. And now, like I said, like I mentioned before, I'm going to use my bedhead waver, and I'm going to add some soft crimps to the top to give it a more defined look. Now I usually use like a holding spray and stuff like that for my crimps, but this is focusing on soft crimps. Like I said, this hair is extremely soft, so I wanted to keep it soft. I did not want to make it hard in any way. And if you're looking to purchase this crimper, I got this crimper from Amazon, and I can leave that information down below. But yeah, I'm basically going to just take my crimper and just put the light crimps in it, not on the whole head, just on the top layer of my hair, so like I said, the curls could be more defined. I didn't want to wand curl it or anything like that, because it would completely like take the shape of the hair away. Well, not the shape, but like the pattern. And because this is like a Peruvian wave, it's very wavy, I just thought, maybe I should add more waves to it and give it a more defined look. So basically I'm just showing you what it looked like. Still soft, no spritz, no holding spray, no light spray, just me crimping the hair alone, and it gives you these very, very soft crimp waves. Now I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the same thing on both sides, and then I will be back to show you guys the finishing look. this is basically how the hair looks, and this is just light crimps to the top layer of the hair for a more defined look. And I am loving it, and I'm going to just show you like a little clip at the end, because we have reached the end of this video of what it looks like. I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial, and I will have all the details to this hair down in the description box. Once again, this hair is from DsoarHair Company. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned to the new videos.